much everything I use. I put in the pan some olive oil, get it warmed up. These are all the things I use. The tofu is in place of eggs, since this is vegan. And then I add mushrooms, tomato, onions, red pepper. Sometimes I use it if I have it or not. I have it this time. Spinach, fresh spinach. I also just put some pepper, salt, nutritional yeast, which enhances cheese flavor and also adds nutrition along with some cheese. I just love hash browns. I love hash browns so much. So I fry up some hash browns, and then whatever kind of vegan sausage I have in the house, happen to have these this time, which are yummy, and some fresh garlic also. And today I'm gonna try something new that I heard of, that you add hummus into this whole mixture. So I am gonna try this out with the hummus and see if it, I think it's gonna just really enhance the flavor of everything. So this is all that I use. I don't think I'm missing anything. And I'm gonna throw it all together and I'll let you see the finished product. Hope you're making something yummy too. Don't forget to live, laugh, and love. First thing I start doing is cooking the hash browns so that they can get crispy before I throw everything else in there. And they take a little bit to, to crisp up. So I let those cook in the pan. I'm probably gonna put it on like medium heat. I start disinfecting all my produce. That's the spinach, the mushrooms. I put it in a strainer. I got my pepper and tomato. And I always make a bottle of vinegar and water mixture. I'm pretty sure, I believe, that it really cleans really well. It's like a natural, pure way to clean your stuff. So I usually just spray it. I'm probably gonna toss that around once I don't have the camera on my other hand and rinse them out and do that with the rest so that they get all cleaned up. So the hash browns are getting crispy. I chopped everything up, put it on a plate here. We got the red peppers, we got the onions, we got the spinach, the tomato, the garlic, the mushrooms, the sausage, and the tofu. I'm adding the sausage. Get that mixed around real good. That cooked for a little bit, and then I think I'm going to add the tofu. I'm just going to, make this like scrambled eggs. And just chop it up and mix it all together. I just feel like the right time is to add the seasonings. So that's the hummus that I just added. I may add some more, a little more hummus. Now I'm going to add the nutritional yeast. Just going to sprinkle that around. And on to the next spices. So these just the salt and the pepper left. I'm going to just sprinkle that around. Okay. And some pepper. Now I'm gonna mix this up really, really good. So while I was mixing this up, I just all of a sudden felt like adding a little bit of milk. See, ideas just pop in my head and then I just go with them. I'm not gonna add a lot, just gonna kinda, that's it. Oh gosh, I hope I didn't make a big mistake. So mixing all this really good, because now we got the spices and everything in there for flavor. And I decided to just turn the heat up a little bit more. Like my smiley tattoo. And let this cook for a little bit, and then I'm going to add all of that yumminess. I just added all the rest of these beautiful, colorful, healthy, yummy stuff. And of course now I'm going to mix it up. Hope everyone's having a good day or good night, wherever you are. All mixed up. It still has to cook for a little bit. Doesn't it look so pretty? I mean, oh my goodness. Look how pretty. I just really love not only eating yummy, healthy food, but also when it looks so pretty. Like, it's just adds to it. Ever since I've been vegan, honestly, I appreciate food so much more, and I take more pleasure in cooking. It's just making things look pretty, and I just feel so good about eating healthy and it looking pretty and just putting life inside my body. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not saying I want to cook all the time. I love eating out too, of course, a lot actually, but not always. I do enjoy making some good meals too. So I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit, and next I'm going to add the cheese in there. Now it's time for the cheese. See my little cute hole? Okay, here we go. Cheese. I'll have some cheese, please. And then I'm going to mix all of that together into this beautiful yumminess. The cheese is mixed in there. And guys, I won't lie. Earlier I had to lower this because it started burning on the bottom a little bit. Thankfully I caught it in time. It wasn't bad. It was just a small part that was starting to get burnt. So yeah, don't put your heat too high, but it's fine. It all worked out. I mixed it up really good, and it's fine. It's fine. I gotta tell you guys about this. You see this Mr. Smiley? He cleans so good. This is like the best sponge I've ever had, and it's a smiley face. I mean, come on. Doesn't get better than that. This is what it looks like in the package. It gets soft in warm water and firm in cool water. It's just really good, and it lasts a long time. Scratch free, resists odors. It's amazing. So if you want to try it, try it. Hope you're smiling today. Yay! I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I hope you guys enjoyed something healthy and yummy today yourselves. Take care of you, because there's only one of you. Please. Till next time. Mwah. Bye.